We're gonna head down to Sailorman in Fort Lauderdale. It's a consignment shop for used sailing gear and boat equipment. We're gonna go check it out and see what they got. I got no idea what to expect from this place. Just figured we'd go and check it out. I heard some good things on the website about it, you know? Some of it's new, some of it's secondhand.
Maybe they have cushions. Do you think this will fit on the boat?
No.
No?
No.
No. What about this one?
That might.
This one might? Oh, we have to, looks like it.
Yeah. You need to get a mount for it.
Yeah. 65 bucks.
That's a lot.
Oh, a little Coleman thingy. Yeah, 25 bucks. These look like, oh no, those are small. It's sold.
That sucks.
We should probably get out of it.
Woo! 1,800 bucks.
Oh wow.
That's nice though. That's cool.
Screw it.
All these are inverter chargers. Bottom paint.
Nice. Oh neat. Look at these, baby.
That's cool.
Are those like old school lights or
Yeah.
something? 7,500.
Yeah, it was 12,000.
Oh. Oh my god. Look at this big old captain's wheel. Oh wow, that's heavy. I was gonna say let's put it on our wall, but
Yeah.
I
How much is it?
350
Okay.
and heavy. What the hell is this?
It's a lamp. You can
It's
light
like,
it.
oh, you put a candle in it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. Look at that.
Same type of thing.
175?
Yeah.
Is it because it's an antique?
Probably. And because of the lens.
So you,
Your fire is going behind there.
oh, and this makes it brighter.
Yeah.
Baby, these are neat. Oh, I love these. This is the same one.
Yeah.
This one has a bottom. That's like that one over there.
That's a,
But the lens isn't broken.
yeah.
225.
Wow.
Does that say 995?
Yeah. Long line buoy. Japanese. Old nautical charts. Before they had chart plotters, probably.
Oh, this is cool.
You get these in here. These old charts. And then you can make a table out of it. You know, you put that down and then epoxy them down.
Yeah.
Yeah, see?
That's neat.
Yeah.
Where is this?
Tuxpan, wherever that is. In Mexico somewhere. Huh.
New York to Nantucket.
Before we had those nice digital charts.
Central Bahamas.
2003, wow.
Wow. Please play me. Oh, I forgot the blues scale. That's it. Anchors. they still real expensive? Like how much would...
Oh yeah, those thinners are top dollar.
Like, that one's 45. How much would that be, like, brand new?
I have to look it up.
A lot less than 45? I mean, a lot more than 45?
So like these shore power cords are super expensive too.
Yeah.
Yeah, 250 foot, $895.
$8.95? Wow.
Oh, they have a map of the Exuma's inlay to link the table.
Oh, I want to see. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's cool. Wow. This is beautiful. $7.50 now. That's nice. This thing is old. Oh, wow.
Look.
Landon C Distributing? Seriously? Oh, there's the big ones.
That's for like a ship.
Ah.
All kinds of stuff. It must be for like a Hobie cat or something like that.
Oh yeah. It's almost like a you pull it for boats.
Yeah, basically.
Oh. They look like decent cushions is what it looks like.
Yeah.
Look at that.
It's a big black rope.
Cruising the Coral Coast. What's the Coral Coast? This one's my favorite. Free fearless females, wild thoughts on womanhood. Some of my best leading men have been dogs and horses. Elizabeth Taylor. Whatever women do, they must do twice as well as men to be thought half as good. Luckily, it's not that difficult.
I think we've seen enough, huh? Alright, we had a good time in Sailorman. We spent a couple hours going through all the cool used stuff they got, and we bought an ice maker. So we don't have to run to the store and buy ice every time we go on the boat. So I'm super excited about that. And yeah, we had a good time. So it was cool. We'll definitely be back. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and please click that subscribe button down below. And also give us a huge thumbs up. And leave us a comment what you thought about Sailorman. See you on our next adventure.